I'm Jana from the Georgia House Rabbit Society, and today I'm here with Sandra, and we are going to discuss how do I make sure my cat or dog can get along with my rabbit. The most important thing to make sure is that you take it slowly when you introduce a dog or a cat to a rabbit. For one, rabbits are prey animals, and they can be very scared of other animals, as well as other people. You want to make sure that you are not stressing out your rabbit, as sometimes rabbits could even get sick or die just from shock alone. With dogs, it is best to have them on a leash and contained when you are first making introductions. Have your rabbit in a cage or behind a pen. With cats, again, take the introduction slowly. Make sure it's supervised. The bunny might actually be more interested in the cat than the cat is in the rabbit. One thing to be aware of is your cat's claws. They could do great damage to a bunny's eye, and even if it seems like an insignificant wound, can cause infection and later abscess. Always supervise when your rabbit is mingling with other members of the household. I'm Jana from the Georgia House Rabbit Society, and today we discussed how to make sure my cat or dog can get along with my rabbit.